Hello, how are we? We're back for another Get Ready With Me. Let's jump right in. Of course, you know already we're going to start off with the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream. I ordered some more moisturizer because I've been using the new Drunk Elephant, which I still need to do a review on, but I ran out. I put in an order and it was supposed to come yesterday. I've never put in the gate code for my building or the door code. And for some reason, I got kicked back because I didn't have the door code in there. You know, the next step sunscreen, e.l.f. sunscreen, Suntouchable. I also ordered some hair stuff because my hair is getting longer. I don't know if you've noticed. And so it's getting longer, and so I need to do I typed in a moisturizing curl booster because my hair is kind of dry and I want it more curly, especially as it gets longer. So I ordered 3 of those that I'm going to be testing out. So I will be doing reviews on those as well. We're expanding into hair care now that I have hair. So I'm excited for this shipment coming. By the way, I cut myself shaving. I've been using one of those straight razors and I don't know how to use it. I always cut myself. I usually cut myself down here, but today it was on my cheek. We're going to jump right into foundation. So I'm going to use the Haus Labs. I know this is the tiniest little funniest bottle, but I'm going to use the Haus Labs foundation because I haven't used this since I reviewed it. So I have the shade 280 Light Medium Neutral. We're going to use our new Eco Tools face blending brush. I really like this for foundation. I need a mirror. I'm just going to put it right on the brush because we need to get some coverage in here. So yes, I cut my face, which is really cute, which I had to film some other stuff today, so I just filmed with a cut of my face. I just came back from dinner with my friend and her baby. I love her baby so much. He's 1 year old and he's so cute. We just went to this little Mexican restaurant, had a little Mexican food. So I'm really full right now. So that's why I might be a little low energy. This looks very nice on the skin. Very healthy. Yes. This might be a little too deep of a shade for me right now, but we're gonna make it work. I need to get some on these lips, so we're gonna do a little NYX Fat Oil. My lips feel very dry. We're gonna do a little bronzer. We're gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Stick. I just discovered this and I am really, I liked it in my review. Oh, and this is in the shade Oaks on You. Oaks on You. I'm gonna grab my Morphe M406 brush, which is a duo fiber brush, and we're just gonna go ahead and tap this out. So tomorrow I'm heading up to the mountains to hang out with my besties, Janelle and Spencer, their place up in Keystone. So that's where I'm going to spend New Year's. I'm very excited about, but they're gonna make me ski. And I talked to you guys about how I feel about skiing right now. I just don't know. It's my vibe. They're like, oh yeah, we want to ski on New Year's Day as well. And I'm like, well, if I'm just too tired, then you guys can just go without me. And they're like, no, it's family time. I'm like, okay, it's family time. It's family time, okay. Okay, we need to take down some of the shine. So we're going to use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. This is in the shade Banana Bread. It does have this cute, in this mini one, it has this cute little spongy puff. Maybe we should use this. I don't really know how to use this. Ooh, okay. God, loose powder is just so messy. I don't like that. Okay, we need a brush. We need a brush. Gonna use our pointed blush brush from Sony Kashuk. Let's see if I can get enough. See, there's I can't dump this in the lid. What do I need here? What do I need? I'm gonna use the back of this foundation palette. We're gonna put a little powder on here so we can powder down this face. We're looking a little better. We're looking a little more mattified, which is how I like it. We're looking a little bronzy, so we're gonna do a little brightening. We're gonna use the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. And we're going to use our, of course, Sigma Soft Blend Concealer brush to just get in those areas that we want to brighten up. So we're looking Very bronzy. It's a little better. Foundation a little deep for me, a little deep. So my mission is to find another brightening powder, but I mean, this is like $4. So like, why am I trying to find another one? I feel like I could find one that's just like a touch smoother. My little makeup bin over here is like jam packed full of stuff. I need to get rid of some stuff, but I want to, even though we are very deep, I just want to like reinforce some of that bronzer a little bit. So we're gonna use the e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer in Forever Sun Kiss. We're gonna use our Real Techniques blush brush. This is like a little bit more, I was gonna say it's like a little bit more coolie. I wanted like a little bit more of a sculpt. So I wish I had a cooler bronzer, but this will have to do. Girl, we are looking deep. We're looking deep, honey. And of course, just like any little eyeshadow, this is the e.l.f. Blending Eye. We use this for our nosy to reinforce that bronzer and take it a little bit into the crease. I just noticed I haven't been talking much about my life. So I'm heading up to Keystone. So I'm going to spend basically the whole week up there. We're going to ski. We have plans to do like New Year's Eve appetizers and drinks and stuff. You know, just some chill time before 2025. And we're really excited I think we've got my manager position kind of figured out. So pretty much figured out. I mean, they're basically getting what they want. So we'll see how it lasts. But I'm excited to go into 2025 knowing like where my head's at and like where I'm going. You know what I mean? I don't really set New Year's resolutions. Do you guys? Leave down in the comments below if you guys set New Year's resolutions and what your 2025 New Year's resolutions are. I've never really like done that. Maybe I should. I'm just gonna do a little bit more brightening like around the nose. What else do we need to talk to you guys about? Christmas was last week. It actually wasn't too bad with my family. It was nice because usually once they start drinking, like that's when the mean stuff starts coming out, but nobody really drank. I think half of them were sick and half of them were hungover from the night before. So everybody was kind of like in and out. So that was kind of nice. And then I went over to my friend Samantha's house, the one that I had dinner with tonight. And that was just fabulous. Just hung out with a bunch of my friends and her family and friends everybody who I love. So that was incredible. I was kind of tired at that point, but I still made it work and it was still super fun. So that was my Christmas. Yeah, like I said, I'm excited for the new year. I don't think I have much else to update you on. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you check out the description box. I kind of changed up my link tree a little bit. So if you want to support me, then you can use all of the links in the description box. There's Sephora, Ulta, Target, Walmart, Nordstrom Beauty, all the links that you know and love. If you use those links, it helps me out quite a bit. So I would appreciate it if you are doing some shopping, just use those links. And I have a favorites video of 2024 coming up. I'm gonna stop rambling. Thank you so much for joining me and I will check you on the next one.